Hi, welcome to another training video. In this video, we are going to take you on a tour through the WordPress dashboard. Your WordPress dashboard contains the topmost bar, the main area, and the left bar. The topmost bar is where you get to go to your profile page or you log out of your WordPress dashboard, or you can get to visit the site on the user end. So on the main area, this button here shows you what it contains. The main area contains at a glance, activity, quick draft, WordPress events and news, and welcome. So this is it. This is your welcome to WordPress. This is at a glance, this is quick draft, this is activity, this is WordPress event and news. Okay, so on the left bar you have the home, updates, posts, media. We're going to be working with a lot of this. Most of this we're going to be working with them. So the main area gives you an average of the actions the entire WordPress community takes. So that's why they are provided at the main area, so that with a simple click you can get to make changes to your WordPress website. Okay, with this we have come to the end of this training video on a tour of your WordPress dashboard. See you in another video.